Hello, welcome to Skybridge Domains. My name is David Gawler. I'm the owner of Skybridge Domains. I am providing premium voice over IP calls to any phone number in the world, and today I'm going to show you a demonstration calling from voice over IP to a Melbourne, Australia phone number using xlite extension 6000 that I am now logged in on my softphone client using xlite. I'm also running Windows 8. Open xlite from the desktop. You can now see the xlite console desktop. Simply enter the mobile number or landline phone number you wish to dial. Today I'm going to dial a Melbourne, Australia phone number 03 9662 2182. Click on the green dial button within xlite. It is attempting to dial.
You called the Bureau of Meteorology.
As you can see, it is attempted to establish the call and answered. I've hanged up and the call is established. Please visit our website www.skybridgedomains.com/VOIP. Thank you.